Hey guys, back at the silage. We're continuing on, I guess. We cut 4 fields. I'm standing in one here. That's the other one. That's the last one we're doing. And there's 2 over that hill down there. You can't really see them, but they're there. Past the cows. You zoom out. So, these 4 here, we're putting in the little silo, and that's done. We're not filling it, we're just putting these 4 fields in it. We'll switch over the unloader from fill to feed, and we'll start feeding out of it because we got no silage in the barn for the cows, as you recall. So yeah, the cows will have something to eat while they're in the barn. And then we'll set up the blower at the big silo. And start filling that one, and I'll put the rest of it in that. Hopefully it'll all hold it. May not, wouldn't be the first time. There's Super Dave down there. We got our super zoom in here. Be a nice view if the sun was coming the other direction. The ocean is there, but maybe this afternoon. I don't know. It's I don't know, heading for 11 o'clock now, I guess. Had some issues. We got 1 load in already. Had some issues with the harvester. Just broke a shear bolt or something, and then I make some adjustments to the cutter bar. It's chopping it kind of long. Well, that doesn't look too bad, but yeah, kind of long. I didn't empty the wagon right out. I don't have time for that. Yeah, Super Dave is running the harvester. I am hauling wagons and blowing the silage. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Did he break something? Let's see if he keeps going. Anyway, yeah, it's still fishing season, and it's the morning. So my uncle's not here. He usually hauls wagons and blows silage. I'm just kind of dicking around doing different things, but in the morning I do this. So I don't know, did he get out yet? No. I'll have to go have a look, see what's going on. Anyway, I'll attach a clip there blowing silage, and that'll be it for this video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Maybe he's full. I doubt it though. Later, guys.